What is the purpose of streams concept which came in the 1.8 version? Very simple, sir. I have collection is there. Some collection is there, sir. In Java, what is the meaning of collection? Collection is nothing but what? A group of objects. A group of objects. These are a group of objects as a single entity itself is considered as collection. I want to process these objects from the collection. If you want to process objects from the collection, there is a new concept came in the 1.8 version. That concept is stream concept, right? Are you getting? Sir, very important concept. In 1.8 version, stream concept came. What is the purpose of stream? Okay, make sure, sir, the main objective of collection to hold objects as a single entity. What is the purpose of stream? To process these objects from the collection. Sir, we should go for what? Stream concept, right? Sir, if you want to process elements from the collection, objects from the collection, then we should go for what? Stream concept. Sir, how to create stream?